In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to make a Jira board public. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Jira like you usually would, and then from here you'll need to log into your account. Now from here you'll need to go up to these settings tab over here in the right hand corner, and once from here you'll need to go down to systems right here. Now once you're inside of here, you'll be able to see the system settings, and here you can change all of the settings and advanced settings. From here you'll need to go to edit settings over here in the right hand corner, and once from here it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to open up the search bar or click in and write in public sharing right here. Once from here you can see that it's under options, and then the fifth is public sharing. Now from here you'll simply need to click on, and from here you'll need to go down to update. Once from here you'll be sent back to this page right here, and from here you'll need to go out to this dashboard over here, and now from here you'll need to enable sharing inside of a Jira board. And to do that, you'll simply need to find your specific Jira board that you want to access to the public. From here you'll need to open up the three dots over here called more options, and from here you'll need to go down to configure board. Once from here you'll be able to see the columns and statuses. Now from here you'll need to go over to the left hand side and go over to where it says axis over here. Now from here it should be looking something like this. Now from here you'll be able to select all the roles that other people have inside of your board, or you can go up to open access over here, and then you'll be able to add it to open, limited, or private board, and then click change. Once from here you'll have successfully made your Jira board public to everybody. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!